Welcome to Bluewater Condos, Unit 401. This is an east corner unit, so look at all the light coming in. Floor to ceiling windows, east sunrises, and then sunset shading. Got your primary with its own bathroom, its own access to the balcony. Washer dryer. And then you've got two bedrooms back here. Both have access to the balconies as well. And a full bath. Contact me for more information. Christine Holman, Remax on the Coast, 251 Life, 251-424-2020. Look at the depth of this balcony. Expansive balcony that wraps around the porch.